So guys, we're here, and as I mentioned, I am going to be telling you a little. I'm going to show you and actually give you my experiences. But I do want to mention that Wirex for me is still my #1 card. Now, I just want to show you how the new card looks. As I mentioned, I don't know if I did the package opening, but this is the new Wirex card. This is the Mastercard, or as we call it, the multi-currency card that they have available. Now, I have been traveling over the last few months, and I've been using this card as well. Works brilliantly all over Europe, at least. So if you're in Europe, please make sure to check this out. And I'm going to give you guys a highlight of what they had on their website so that you can see a little bit more about what Wirex actually has to offer. Again, if you are interested in getting a Wirex account, I suggest to use the link in the description. Why? Because obviously you're going to get a token for that. Basically, it's my affiliate link, so I would appreciate it. If not, go to the person who shared this video with you, obviously, and ask them for their affiliate link. So 5 reasons that the new Mastercard is ideal for your travel companion. And this I can attest to, guys, because as I mentioned, I've been traveling and I've been actually using this card over the last few months as well. So it doesn't really matter where you are. As you can see, travel and tourism is definitely something that has been increasing over the past few years. Yes, because of all of this situation around the world in 2020, 2021 has taken an impact, but what Wirex has specifically done has adapted to the needs of the world in a way, and therefore it's really cool to have this kind of a card available for you. Because before, the experience that I've always had a positive experience. Let me just share with you guys that. Okay, I've always had a positive experience with Wirex. However, there are times that I needed to, for example, add my funds to a specific wallet in order for me to actually get the return or use the card or withdraw the money and so on and so forth. Right now, the setup and the process is so simple. Card comes to you pretty quickly. Once you get the card, to get it set up is very easy. The first transaction is very easy. I've not had any issues. I've made online payments. I've made purchases from the ATMs around the world, well, around Europe at least, and it's gone really well. So as they said right here, it's a multi-currency card, so you can load it in your currency that's available. Okay, all you need to do is add the currency there, convert it to that currency, and if you're in, for example, a specific country, it's not euros, but it's GBP or it's USD or whichever it is, then you can obviously have a withdrawal directly in that currency itself. So here are the 5 reasons. Firstly, first and foremost, as they say, seamlessly spend in more than 150 currencies in market rates. Now, I'm not going to mention about the in-market rates because I don't personally know the difference between all the in-market rates. I can just say from my experience that it's not cost me a lot in terms of fees and sales. So as you guys can see, you're basically having the best exchange rate that they have to offer. Again, as I mentioned in my past video, by the way, guys, if you haven't checked out my top two cards, I'm going to link it above right now in a card. You can check that out. I'll also link it in the description in case you want to check that video out. But I give you an overview of what I see, why cryptocurrency cards, you should be having at least 1 or 2 of them available. I personally have not only Wirex, I know this is a Wirex video, but I don't have only Wirex. I also have, let me just pull out the other card for you guys. I also have a Visa card from crypto.com. So those links are in the description, by the way, both to Wirex and to crypto.com in case you want it. But those are my top 2 cards that I personally use. Okay, you can convert and use up to 18 cryptocurrencies. This is actually changing because they've added a couple of cryptocurrencies over the last couple of months, so you have even more cryptocurrencies if you're in this space for a while to exchange into to add basically that to your wallet and then exchange it to whatever you want, whichever currency you need around the world. There's a free international ATM withdrawals with high limits. This I can agree upon. The limits are quite nice. As you can see, you get a free international. The good news is that you get, with the new Wirex card, you'll get free international ATM withdrawals below £400, and for anything above this amount, you'll only pay 2% fee. This is true. I have not paid any fee at all for my purchases and my withdrawals from an ATM. That I have seen on my application as well. I'm just double checking this information, but that's exactly what I've seen using these payment methods with Wirex. But I'm just going to check my app in a second and give you guys an idea. So as it loads, let's go ahead and look at the next point. As you can see right here, is earn up to 1.5% back for all in-store purchases. Wherever you wherever you are. So this basically means is that you can earn up to 1.5 back in crypto if you spend the new Wirex card in a store. I have made an online payment, so I've not made an in-store payment yet. I've not made an in-store payment yet, but I will be doing that soon. This is a 2% crypto back, which is quite nice. I personally like this option. You can, as you can see right here, in-store purchase without interface. So yes, it's all in the app. I do have some, but as you can see right here, it says real-time within the app and use your crypto back. How you want it, the choice is yours. Keep your eyes peeled as in the coming months, we'll be launching overhaul rewards, introducing the opportunity to get up to 2% crypto back in-store purchases and online purchases too. This has not yet come out, guys. I haven't yet received this 2% back in online purchases, but in-store is already available. And you can also get up to 6% interest on your balance of WXT, which is their token, of the Wirex token itself, in case you need it. Cross-border transactions with SEPA, SWIFT, and faster payments to anywhere in the world. Although we might not be able to travel right now to take full advantage, as you can see, don't worry about the management fees. In the meantime, you can also send your money abroad using SEPA, SWIFT, or faster payments. Now, this basically means that you're not limited to having your Wirex cards just made. So if I want to send money from for example, from my account to, say, let's say my Euro account, okay, I'm just going to give you an example there, and I want to send that money across to somewhere else, I can send it via SEPA, SWIFT, and fast payments. And also you can deposit that way, so you're not limited to depositing by a card or anything else. So these are the 5 reasons why they claim that the new Mastercard is better. But my personal experience, guys, is that I think you need to have any which ways a card available for you. I personally right now have 1 Visa card and 1 Mastercard. The crypto space is booming, and people are realizing, and I've been making these videos for the past 4 years, and I'm happy to say that it's so much easier now to find card services specifically that can not only, as I mentioned in my other video, initiate the conversation between cryptocurrency, but also it also proves the real time or real world value of cryptocurrency within the world itself. Now, obviously, these are things that can facilitate your growth. If you're a business, then I do suggest to please go and speak to an accountant so that you get set up properly and everything there. But for your purchases, for example, myself, I trade cryptocurrency, and sometimes I need to make just the purchases in a store or whatever it is, and I just convert my profits of crypto into euros, and I utilize it on a daily basis. So it does make it much easier. Take into account the options that are available for you. But as I mentioned, my number 1 card is Wirex, and has been for the last few years itself. So I highly suggest, the last 5 years I've been using this platform. I highly suggest to take a look at that and everything. How you can join Wirex, basically how you can start up Wirex. I am an affiliate, as I mentioned. I do share content on this channel, and this is not just about the educational side of it. If you're considering to get into the crypto space, then this is something that you need to have, and you don't pay any fees on it, which is quite good in itself. Okay, I personally always have some change on my cryptocurrency card. Why? Because in case I need to make a quick purchase here and there, I always have it on hand. That being said, to be honest, there is not much more that I can say about Wirex, because they are taking it very, very seriously to make sure that their products are there for the long term. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this channel is all about educational content more than anything else. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency trading, what I'm going to do is, it's in the second link. It's going to be the second link. The first is to Wirex itself. The second link is going to be to my Facebook group. Okay. And you can join my Facebook group where I talk about cryptocurrency trading there. In fact, let me just go ahead and share with you my my group itself. This is my group where I mainly speak about trading, guys. I am editing some stuff, and please do answer the questions that I ask on to join this group, because if you want to learn the skill sets, this is where I'm teaching. And just to show you guys some kind of results that I've been posting on a daily basis, let's just go to where is it? Yeah, let's just go to recent media. So I just want to show you guys the recent media here. Let me just click on it. Yeah, so these, for example, are some trading results that I've had just today. itself at the time of when I'm shooting this video, but you guys can see it's from the 5th. It was closed on, sorry, the 10th of May. Okay, so 5% profits. This is my daily routine, guys. These are the kind of results that you see. Again, I cannot guarantee any of these results, but this is a skill set. And as I mentioned every single time in my group and on my channel, this is a real skill which you can learn and you can leverage for the rest of your life if you want to, as long as you take the effort from your side to start the journey. Okay, so if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency trading in general, to see all these kind of results, this is basically to show you that I'm doing it on a daily basis. I love doing this cryptocurrency trading, and it's a very simple strategy that we teach you guys. And even if it's just one trade per day, I still post that. Why? Because results are results, right? And when it has to be shown. And as you guys can see right here, I have a crypto tab because that's what I do on a daily basis. Okay, so if you're interested in that, I'm going to link the second link in the description is going to be to my group. Feel free to let me know if you need any help in the group. And otherwise, guys, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification if you like this kind of content. And I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Cheers. Have a great day.